at Home Depot doing our Saturday weekend cleaning. Oh yeah. Look at the goodies. The goodies for the shower, the toilet. Woo! Now it's IKEA time. We're gonna go to IKEA, see what they have. Gotta pick up some things for the closet. Let's get out of Home Depot. Oh, we're out of there, out of Home Depot. I don't know why the volume at that register, that self-checkout is so loud. I feel like she's yelling at me like I did something wrong. And she's kicking me out, like hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy.
Hurry up and buy!
Yeah. Back at IKEA. After, how many years has it been since we've been in IKEA? Like, I think during COVID or after COVID, right after COVID. It's the last time we've been to IKEA. At least 2 years, wow. Yep, anyway, here we go. Come walk with us, enjoy. Wake up, princess. What is that? We're gonna set up the bed like that and just put a step ladder. This looks cluttered, right? We got the patio set up.
For apartamento pequeño.
Yeah, but it looks nice.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. I'm gonna get one of these. Here. Let me see if I fit.
See, exacto.
I'm gonna get one of those. This is cool. Hang it over the door. See, I thought this was inside the wall, but no, this is cool. It saves a lot of space. And you can put stuff on top. Shopping bags. Each one is, oh, it's a 2-pack. It's a 2-pack for $39.99. Flip-flops. That's cool.
And then hot water, and that's it.
Look at
I
this,
like this.
guys. You want one?
Yeah.
Oh, check this out. You put the tea herbs in here, dip it in the water, hot water, and bam. Get one. Uh-oh, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. That's the dark chocolate, right?
14 grams.
14 grams of sugar?
3 servings.
Yeah.
One serving is 10 pieces?
Yeah.
Or not?
10 pieces, 31 grams. That's not that bad.
No. Pero tiene 12 added.
Oh. 9. So yeah, guys, I'm here at in IKEA with the missus. We're trying to get these hangers where you can hang like 3 pants in one hanger. You can fold them over each bar for on one hanger. That's what I'm trying to get. But we're just walking around, checking it out, showing you guys what they have if you've never been here. This is a cool setup for like college students when they go back to college. It's a nice little setup. Oh, this is cool. You can switch these out right there. Add some of these. That's cool. This is cool. Eventually, this is what I want to do, but I want to do like from like a floor to the top type. Well, at least midway from the floor, like a 5 foot, 6 foot height cube stand, not hanging on the wall. And put some lighting in it. I like the lighting. I like this. Like if you live in a condo by the beach, it's like a balcony setup. This is real cool. Got the ocean out there. Good vibe. Nice simple setup. From my DJ friends, my producer friends, this brings back memories. All the vinyl. I don't know about that turntable though, but the vinyl, the crates. The good old days. A vinyl display shelf with the lighting. Wow. I like that. Happiness is love. That's what I would like, something like that. You see, I'm 6'2", so this is too high? Too high? Hold on, I'm gonna lower it. I like these. Yeah, these are nice. That's what I want. Oh, look at this bathroom. Tiny, tiny bathroom. This reminds me of a cruise ship bathroom. An island bathroom. Hey, hey, hey. Look at this cool setup. This is like for a gamer. A gamer setup. The desk goes up and down as well. There you go. That's cool. Let's see how high it goes. Oh yeah, it keeps going. I'm not gonna attempt to go all the way up. That's a cool setup. What is she up to? What is she up to? That's a cool pantry. At home we have a walk-in pantry right under the stairs. But this one is cool. This is what I'm saying. Big deal. So am I. This is a wannabe Twix. IKEA brand Twix. Look at how cool this is. I wish I was a kid again. Look how cool. This is nice. It's like a little tent fort type bed setting. Check this out. That's under the bed. You have a little bed space with some lighting. I wish I was a kid again. Look how nice. This is a nice room. Look, a tent on the bed. Like a fort. It's like the food court area. Swedish restaurant. Like a nice seating area. Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a food review here in IKEA. I got the Swedish meatballs, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese. And then she got garlic cod, fries, and what's that round thing?
The best
It's a
veggie.
quiche?
It's
Quiche, like a veggie
no,
quiche?
it's vegetable.
All right, so I'm gonna try the meatballs and see how salty they are. Here's a meatball with the gravy. Let's see. It's okay for like frozen meatballs. Yeah, that's what it is. It's okay. The mashed potatoes is okay. It's the same thing. It's the stuff that comes in a bag. Nothing special. The mac and cheese, let's see if it's salty because a lot of mac and cheese are really, really salty. And again, for frozen mac and cheese, it's not bad. It's not salty either. That's the thing I was scared of. She got the garlic cod with the fries, and I thought it was a quiche, but it's like a vegetable medallion.
Yeah,
I don't know, but
really
she
good.
said it was really good.
No salty.
So far the stuff is not salty, which I'm shocked that is not, and I was afraid to eat here because of the salt. But yeah, that's IKEA for you, and it's not bad. It was about $18, $19 total for 8 meatballs, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. She got the garlic cod, vegetable medallion, and fries. All right, so we just finished our lunch here in IKEA. Towards the end, the mac and cheese started to become salty because that cheese sauce became very salty. Check this out. She just found something.
No, that it looks like the one you like.
What is that?
Se parecen, pero no,
We're,
these are oatmeal.
we're getting those. And I haven't found what I came to IKEA for. So I'm still searching, exploring the store. I didn't find it on the second floor. We're gonna try the first floor. All right, guys, check this out. Check this out, guys. For all you college kids coming up, everything in the box for $49.99. It brings a bunch of stuff in there. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I see a lamp in there, a pillow, towels, a rug mat, a bathroom mat. Oh, they have a few. Oh, this one has a dustpan, a garbage pail, power strip. This one is $59.99. College essentials. This one has like pots, plates, can opener, cups, a spatula. Oh, check this out. This is what it has in there. A pizza cutter, frying pan, utensils, $69.99.
For $9.99, you get 3. They have it on sale. That is good.
I like that. For a small apartment. Oh, and aside from the other stuff that I just showed you for college, here you go. You got snacks. $29.99. This is cool. And you got the container to go along with it. Just sweets, snacks. All right, guys. So we came to IKEA. I didn't find what I was looking for, which is the hanger that has multiple bars on it for your pants, trousers. But we ate Swedish meatballs, cod, and I ended up buying this plastic liner for my shower curtain. So till the next time, I'm gonna have to go to Amazon. Let's go.